Today we'll see something about flatulence cure, and here in this video what you can expect is some good tips. Here the topic which relates to this problem is flatulence remedies, most effective excessive gas treatment. So let's watch now. Something that could be funny is excessive flatulence is, yet if you are the sufferer, this could be something embarrassing and irritating. So if you are one of those who are suffering from such, you might be thinking about what affects this sort of disorder. Excessive flatulence is the primary cause, which is all about the food that you eat. Some of the beans could cause this kind of disorder. Some other extra kinds of foods could be the raisins, Brussels sprouts, apricots, and others. Some causes could also be lactose deficiency and also for swallowing air. Excessive flatulence can be eliminated, and here are some of the remedies that you could take as a better treatment. So the first point here is balanced diet. Balanced diet should be there and avoid those foods that could cause such disorder. You can actually take it as a better way to eliminate this condition. And second one, yogurts. Instead of taking unhealthy foods, better give you a chance to eat yogurts and other probiotic foods. Flatulence can be reduced and could also restore the balance into your intestinal flora. Yogurt contains lactic bacteria that can be truly useful with regards to avoid flatulence problem. Third point is herbs. Here lot many herbs that could help you out in curing excessive flatulence. You could take in caraway, ajwain, turmeric, asafoetida, epazote, and kombu kelp, which is the Japanese seaweed. Since they are herbs and natural remedies, you can simply cure your excessive flatulence condition even without getting yourself at risk. So, this was some tips and suggestions of flatulence cure. Hope you will find it useful. And to get ultimate solution to this problem and to know more information, please do click the website below in the description. Your